You don't have to be a professional makeup artist to treat your skin like a pro. Meet our new Dermacolor Micellar Gel. I will show you my favorite ways to use it for a clean finish. All the models in this video are wearing Dermacolor makeup. The first technique is quick and efficient. I soak a cotton pad with the gel and press it gently onto the skin and lift away the makeup. Unlike harsh waters, this soft gel uses micellar technology to act like a magnet, vegan-friendly and packed with plant-based moisture. For a more comfortable cleanse, I apply the gel directly to the skin. I massage it in with circular motions. This breaks down long-wear pigments. Then I simply sweep it away with a clean pad. It attracts and lifts away resilient makeup. It's a total game changer for anyone with sensitive skin. Also perfect to remove eye makeup. When working on models' eyes, I'm extra gentle. This fragrance-free formula is perfect for the delicate area. It leaves your skin refreshed and hydrated. From full coverage looks to everyday wear, it works with your skin's natural barrier, not against it, because the foundation of great makeup is healthy skin. Dermacolor Micellar Gel, professional care for every day.